Hello everyone, myself Ayushi Martolia and I'm from Uttarakhand. I'm working with Trek the Himalayas as a track leader. So today we are going to discuss about how to maintain menstrual hygiene when you are on a trek. So here are some tips for you. What to pack in your hygiene kit. Sufficient number of sanitary pads or tampons or menstrual cups. Pack panty liners for the regular and those false alarm days. Disposable inner garments or extra inner garments, preferably cotton ones. A couple of pack of wet wipes. A couple of toilet tissue rolls. Talcum powder or medicated powder for freshness and to reduce rashes. To reduce pain, pack roll-ons. Zip-locked or sealed biodegradable pouch to discard used sanitary product. Pack sufficient biodegradable waste carrying bags. Disinfectant spray for hand hygiene. Opt for eco-friendly options. This will help to minimize waste. So now we will discuss on the proper way of disposing your used sanitary product. When you are in the outdoors, never litter your used products, wrappers, plastics out in the open air. Dispose your used products properly in a waste bins or you can carry them in a sealed bag. So now comes to hand hygiene. Practice good hand hygiene before and after changing products to prevent infections. Wash your hands properly and use disinfectant sprays. Change inner garments regularly to stay fresh and prevent infections. Stay hydrated all the time to avoid tiredness, bloating and cramps. Give your body sufficient stretching before and after the treks. Listen to your body and take rest whenever required. So with these simple steps, you can maintain your menstrual hygiene and enjoy your trekking adventure to the fullest.